It's a good day to bring out the little saw. Got some big old white pine here. Pretty nice sized stuff. On average, you're probably, oh, this is about an average size log in this pile. 16 on the small end. Pretty good. And we got this thing. I know it's hard to tell on camera how big these logs are. I'll throw a tape measure across it a couple ways. Oop. About 3 foot that way. Shoot this thing across here. We'll make work, a tape measure would help. Not quite 40. These are 26 foot poles when I get them shipped in like this, and I can cut what I need out of them. Yeah, these are, is that 22, 23-ish. Nice stuff. It's a shame it comes in this long and I rip it down to 8 foot. Most of the stuff I need is 8 foot. I sell all my thousands of 1x12s a year. 1x12s, 1x10s. Work these down and start sawing. Here we go, we got them all cut up. There you can see what a 2 foot bar looks like on a chainsaw. Pretty nice load. Pretty solid logs. Typical knots in pine, but hopefully we get a little clear out of it. These big ones are gonna be fun. Fun to saw. Like I said, I knocked them all to 8 foot by 8.6. And I think I have 2 or 3 12-footers to the side here. That's the POW.